Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Google Pixel 7a mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. Next, remove the broken camera lens glass from the back cover. First, apply gentle heat to soften the adhesive. Then carefully remove the broken pieces. This process takes time, so be patient and avoid touching or damaging the camera module. After that, clean the camera lens area and the camera surface properly. Finally, place the new camera lens glass into position and secure it properly. Verify the camera lens module comes with adhesive. If not, you can use B7000 glue around the lens area. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.